All right, so we are at Troy Country Club. We are going to play the front nine. It's 45 degrees, very windy. Nobody else is here, so that's nice. But we're going to go ahead and see what we can shoot today. All right, that'll do. Oh boy, didn't even get it off the ground. Well, we've got a good look from there. All right, 69 yards left. Let's just stick this close, walk away with a par. Oh, that was not a great bounce. Was really happy with that swing. Unfortunately, can't blame it all on that bounce. I needed to get a little more distance on it, but I think if I didn't get that bad bounce, it would have been a lot happier. But we've got a putt to make. Oh, I just didn't hit it. All right, opening bogey. Boy, pulled it left again. Right. That's two subpar drives in a row, not the kind of subpar we're looking for. 165 to the pin. Gonna hit an 8-iron here, wind's behind us, so should be able to get there. Oh yeah, we're really happy with that. Might have ended up a little short, but we're really happy with that strike. Honestly, we're pretty happy with that. Have about 25 feet here left for birdie. Rather be below the hole here anyway, so. All right. Get in. Oh, spud it right by. All right, we'll take the par. Also, I realize now that I said spud it by, not sped it by, so let's just ignore that. Oh, I fell over on it. Really swiping them left. Another left of the fairway here. Gonna hit a punchy draw 5-iron. Try to keep it under these trees. Make sure we get some. Oh, too much draw. Now, we've got a chance for a fun up and down. Oh, that's screaming. That leaf almost pushed it in. Bad putt. Oh, 3 over through 3 is really not what we're looking for, especially coming to the end of the season. I only got. That's a really good ball. It's not in the hole, but it's really good. Shorter than I would have thought, but really, really happy with that. A little shorter than I would have hoped, but that's okay. I was really happy with that strike, so not going to complain. We need to just guarantee a 2-putt par here. Move on, see if we can't make a stroke up on the next hole. Line was perfect. I'm just under hitting everything. Wow. All right, quick little mid-round thoughts update. Trying to stay positive. Really not playing I would have hoped. Irons feel pretty good. I worked on some things in my swing, and I can feel that they're kind of working today as far as the irons go. Wedges, so-so. Putting has really been my strong suit most of this season, and it's kind of left me today. I don't know if maybe the greens are a little thicker today, but it seems like I'm under hitting everything, which hasn't really been an issue much. So really need to try to make some mid-round adjustments to account for that. But yeah, 4 over through 4, definitely not the worst I've been, but could definitely be better. So we're gonna play the rest of the round out here and see how we do. I think it's actually starting to drizzle, so that's gonna make things even more interesting. Nope, sure can't. Really off the toe. And we're gonna have a sketchy second shot from there. Nothing seems to be going my way today. Didn't leave the ground, but got okay distance out of it. Get this one close, give myself a good look at par, and move on. Still time to make things up. That's exactly what we needed. All right, give ourselves nice, easy tap in par. It's good for the confidence. It's good for the scorecard. Let's keep this going. Or I'm going to go right at the pin on accident. All right, hit the green, rolled a little left. Nothing wrong with that. That's the shot we needed. All right, so going over the scores here. Overall, not super excited about my score. Definitely could have done better. Definitely could have done worse. Not going to blame it on the elements. I've played in much colder than this and rainier than this, so can't really complain too much about that. Putting was definitely off today. Really wasn't feeling comfortable there, which is odd. I'm normally really comfortable with my putting. I was leaving a lot of stuff short, so pretty uncommon there, but that happens. Driver, definitely off, didn't hit any good drivers, so need to get to the range, spend some time on those. Irons felt pretty good today, been working on those a lot lately, so happy with how my irons played. Wedges were so-so, hit a couple bad ones, hit a couple good ones. So overall, an afternoon playing golf is better than a lot of other afternoons. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the